Definitely have the morning free if you are free to do the morning. What are we? We're in Mountain Standard Time.
So if you're in London, it's like 7 hours. Jared's kind of a big deal.
No, I'm not.
Let's be honest, you're kind of a big deal.
I'm not
I think you're a big deal. You're a big deal to me.
Why anyone would care.
Well, it's cool. So if you don't know, Jared has the opportunity to talk to a different British news station.
Apparently.
Jared's kind of a big deal.
I'll have 2 articles in Britain.
That's cool.
In Britain. The guy is... his accent is very English.
He's very, what do they call it? I think they call it AP. Journalist that is here in Utah, her name is Abby Burnell, and she speaks in very high British. It's like the BBC style of like speaking.
It's awesome because it's like the only accent, like the only way I know how to do like an English, well, I can go a couple English
kind of
accents,
a Cockney.
That was my favorite one.
Yeah.
It's just, so like talking to him has been fun. Oh, he's back on. Oh, I didn't.
You hung up on him.
Did I? Dumb.
Oh no, Jared.
I hung up on him.
Oopsie. Technology, I has it.
Technology, I has it. Sorry, my friend.
He'll call back. Jared's man cave needs to be cleaned up.
Jared's man cave stays the same, just the way I like it. Alright, I'll clean it up. Look, it's lived in. It's got the lived in look.
Is that what they call it these days? Is that what the kids...
in.
Is that what the men are calling it these days?
I actually have a good one that we used. It showed me in high school. It showed me after my treatment, and then it showed me like kind of like later on, like another 2 years. All right, now he wants photos. Photos.
And when he said photos, you said photos back, and you said it with a British. You said photos.
Photos.
I have a feeling if we ever moved to like another country, we would totally pick up.
I would. Yeah.
You definitely. But
I hope he doesn't. I'm not making fun of him. I love the accent.
No,
like I'm sure my accent's just like mundane
foreign to him.
Yeah, I can do that. I don't know if I sound like that to them.
Yeah, I don't know. It's because I don't feel like Utah has an accent, but it kind of does have an accent. Yeah. But it's not like a southern accent.
We're gonna send all these photos to him.
I imagine we'll just email him. Yeah.
He said the next couple hours, so you want to do that right now?
Yeah.
Do you know where that one is that's got the 3 together?
Yeah, that's on my laptop.
Can you do that?
Yeah, I can do that.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll go do that right now.
All right.
All right.
Appreciate it.
No problem. My
big about 10.
My big deal. What's in your ear? What is that in your ear? Don't move it yet.
What's that?
I want y'all to see what's in his ear.
Is that a worm?
No, don't move it. Don't touch. I think it's a piece of bacon. I think Jared's got a piece of bacon in his ear. Oh, where'd it go? Why did you have bacon in your ear?
I didn't.
It was bacon. I promise you, it was the color of bacon. You don't even have a scab in your ear.
I don't know. I probably would put one of these in my ears.
And you had that in your mouth while you were eating pizza?
Alright.
You're done? Okay, I'll go do that right now. Jared's coming upstairs to grab my package. Because I can't lift. Ooh. Whoa, I'm looking...
A little rough.
A little rough. Look at the hair after I took my headband off.
Yeah.
I can't lift 36 pounds. Look how big that package is. Lift it with your man arms. Man arms, lift! Yes! Those are the inserts for the baby diapers. Hi, kitty. Hi. Hello. You did a big pee-pee, huh? Yes, you did. You did a big pee-pee, huh? Yes, you did. Huh? Yes. we've been trying to keep track because we've now let him go outside. So we've been trying to keep track of his urine output when he's here at home, because the chance of him relapsing is really, really high. Like the last 4 days, he's had like little teeny tiny, like in the kitty litter box, like little pee ball things. I don't even know. Urine balls. When they get in the litter, it just absorbs and then it makes a clump. Clump. It's a clump. Oh my goodness. Why couldn't I think of the word clump? It's a clump. Do what we can, and we'll buy the food as much as we can to try and help keep the alkaline crystal down. The struvite crystals is what it's called. But yeah, if it gets bad and we won't be able to afford it again. I mean, it was already tight when he had it the first time. So anyways, man, I look really washed out today. I feel like I look like extra sick, which I'm not really sick. I sound sick. I have, oh, okay, so that was the other thing. I am still kind of sick. I am on like the tail end of my sickness. I swear, I get sick and then I will be sick for 5 days, but the cough will linger for like another week after. So I feel like really good. I just sound crappy and I do have a little bit of a cough. The other thing that happened today, I took Optimus for a walk, just barely, and I coughed while I was on the walk and I peed a little. That happened. That's the first time that's ever happened. So I don't know if my pelvic muscles are just getting weak because I've been coughing so much, or what, or if my bladder's just full. I have drank a lot today as far as liquid, so I might just be like super full and haven't emptied my bladder as soon as I should have. That's actually probably what it is, which is probably not good. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick.
A few moments later.
I probably should have done that about an hour ago. Yeah, wow. I think I'm to the point now where I just can't tell how full my bladder is, because they're just like, they are sitting on my bladder and it's hard to tell. But like, excuse me.
12 seconds later.
So I'm gonna open these right now because that's fun, right? Everybody loves an unboxing. Even the dog. Oh, puppy. Do you wanna help me open it?
Do you need help opening it?
It's heavy. But I want help opening it. Oh my gosh, so many!
Is there kilos of cocaine?
It looks like kilos of cocaines.
Now here's our kilo. What are these?
Flour sackcloth towels.
What are they for?
They are for our baby diapers.
What do you mean, like they're the diapers? Or?
They're not the diapers, they go inside of the diapers.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Weird.
It's my way of saving your lifeblood and not making us buy diapers. Because diapers over time are gonna be super expensive and they're not gonna be good for the environment, and I'm trying to think of both. So this is what we're doing, kids. And I know a lot of people have opinions about it, and that's okay. You can have your opinions. This is what we're doing. All right, let's start pulling these out. That, do you see that? That, my friends, is a lot of cloth diapers. And now we'll turn the box sideways so who's complaining? Gotcha. I got you. 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 There you go. There you go. So you can see it. There we go. Hello, baby bump. Hello, my little baby bump. He wants his toy. Get him out. Did you get it, kitty? Did you get it? So I had to put together kind of a bunch of pictures to send them. I don't know that we've ever shown the KS progression picture on our channel before. So let me just open up some of these pictures so you can see. So here's Jared. This is pre-treatment for KS. This is probably 99 when he graduated from high school. This is right before he left on his mission in 2001. He had had a year of treatment at this point. And then this is when he came home from his mission. He had been on treatment for, so this was 2003. He had been on treatment since 2000. So, if you want to look at it that way. Look how handsome he is. Oh, look at that man. Oh, I love his ears. I don't know that we've really showed any dating pictures. So there's where I look very tan and Italian. Look at Jared, he's such a baby. That t-shirt I just gave to DI. Just barely. And there's this one. Aww. He's also wearing that same t-shirt. How funny is that? There's Jared as a little boy. Oh, look at that little face. Ah, he's so cute. Here's one of our wedding pictures. I think you guys have seen that one before. You guys probably, the article will probably come out before this video comes out. I'll link it when it comes out so you guys can read it if you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video right now, right here, right now. Look, my cheeks are starting to get red. I'm starting to get tired. It's nap time. It's about that time, friends. I just want to go ahead and say thank you so much for watching. Remember who you are. Remember that you're great. Never forget it. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. There's a button right here that you can press, and that'll subscribe you to our channels. Thank you so much again for watching, and we will talk to you again soon. Goodbye!